Manginginom Award goes to Ronnie Dahoya Jr. Best in Red Horse and Emperador Brandy Award. Sponsored by Mr. and Mrs. Faustino Maotganon Jr. Manginginom Award goes to King Destura Best in Red Horse and Best in Pulutan. Sponsored by Mr. and Mrs. Sebastian Destura. Ano yate, nakalimtan man diploma rin. Cum Laude of the Year, Best in Manginginom, Best in Alfonso Award, Best in San Mig Apple, Best in Smirnoff, Mr. Iotektek Abuhela.